Finding the courage to change, putting the natural laws to work. As I face a new year, I'm going to relax and allow good to flow into my life. I will let the natural laws of the universe work in my favor. The law of the harvest helps me remember that initial effort reaps exponential rewards. One seed can create many. I'll plant my seeds, nurture the garden, and have patience. My harvest day is coming. I'll remember the law of attraction, that like attracts like. I can focus my thoughts and emotions and draw into my life more of what I want. I'll trust in the natural law of cause and effect. I'll remember that what I start today will have a future effect. I will reap a reward from today's efforts and focus. I may not know exactly where a choice will take me, but good choices will take me on good journeys. I will remember the law of opposition before success. A seed needs the pressure of the earth and darkness to trigger germination. So I won't worry about the everyday challenges of life. I can be grateful for the pressure that is triggering me to grow and expand. I can relax and allow the laws of nature to work in my life. I can stop resisting the forces of nature. It feels good to know and remember that things are always working out for me when I can relax and allow. I will go with the flow and trust in the laws of nature.